Hello everybody, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the absolutely stunning 8119 high-rise apartments in Highland Park, Texas. And I cannot wait to show off more of this beautiful community. Right now, I do want to peek into the garage. A garage parking experience, a good one, is very important. And I have to say that the 8119, has one of the best ones I've literally ever seen. I'm going to point out several things about it. First of all, there's quite a few visitor spaces. We've got visitor parking that's all around here. It's very nice to see this. So you've got a lot of visitor spots that don't require you to have access here. So you can have people over easily. They can just drive in and park in one of these visitor spots. Another thing that's super nice is there's also a wonderful parking garage here. Access. So this is private. This is for residents. Residents only get to go into here, into the underground parking. This is a visitor tenant entrance. They can go in here, and this is controlled by this gate. The gate's open at this time, but it's controlled here by a really nice software and machine and everything like that. So you do have additional parking, and it is controlled. Now that's where the visitors and tenants are, but then upstairs is actually where the residents go and park. So that's controlled access also. Beautiful building. By the way, that gate, you see it over there, that's where visitors would go. So that's what it looks like over here. Now, also, we're about to go into the building. Let's go into the building and explore the beautiful amenities of the 8119. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.